So, when we accept the reality called old age, we realize that the end of the process is death, and it constantly affects people, us, in a dimension that hurts us, and when we think that we are getting weaker every day, then we can make the most of today, when the strength we have today is more than tomorrow, and tomorrow is more than the day after tomorrow, then we can make the most of our best today. Tomorrow we will be slightly weaker than today, our bones will be slightly more fragile, our strength will be slightly diminished. In turning life into capital and becoming the owner of this life, with death becoming a return to him, it changed the thought plan. It brought about the beginning created by the power that brought life, and it returned to the power that created death after life. In other words, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. The thought foundation now rests on this. He came to the realization that his journey didn't merely remain confined to this place and commenced behaving like a passenger. Secular individuals do not behave like passengers. They are innocent individuals who act as though they are residents, despite being on the train. They are individuals who behave as though they are in their own homes, despite being on a bus. While they are fully aware of all the indications of the journey, they are individuals who are highly inclined to consistently pretend to be present here, deceiving themselves primarily. When we embrace our existence and take ownership of our awareness, we realize that we are just passengers on this journey. We are not staying at this place, we are simply passing through. What reminds us of this the most and reminds us the strongest, the stimulus and reality in life, is the undeniable reality of aging. If we ignore this and try to fight against it by doing sports to keep ourselves young, we would just be fooling ourselves by pretending and deceiving ourselves. Take care of your health, entrusted by Allah Azza and Jalla. Ownership is crucial for well-being. However, not with the intention of resisting the process of aging and defying the inevitability of death. Making an effort to protect life as a trust from Allah Azza and Jalla, the Almighty and Exalted. But a believer knows that no matter how much I try to protect myself, little by little, day by day, I will lose my health, strength, and power. Because I'm on a journey, as we approach the end, the distance will decrease, our breaths will run out, and I will ascend to divine peace by surrendering my soul. These two thought plans are completely different from each other. In order to transition from one plan to the other, to move from this limited dimension to the infinite realm of thought, realizing the reality of aging is a great step that must be taken. It is through this recognition that one can embark on a journey towards the vast and limitless possibilities of thought. And in life, it consistently confronts us and finds us, and from there we consistently find a strong grip, a strong support, to awaken ourselves against the magic and wonder of life's endless possibilities. You know, what'll happen if I fully dive into this life? Old age is already consuming me day by day, beating me up and wearing me out. I'm going to be like that grandpa passing in front of me on this road. So, even if I value this life and get caught up in it, when I reach this point, life will already have distanced itself from me. Life will have already turned its back on me. The factuality of aging utterly eliminates our perspective on life and our ardor for it, leaving us with a profound sense of loss and a longing for the vibrancy of youth. In this instance, life transforms into a means, and when life no longer serves as the purpose, the afterlife, which is an infinite life beyond this earthly existence, assumes the purpose. Therefore, in such a scenario, an individual acquires the chance to convert their life into a lasting capital and a genuine investment. Whatever thought plan you took and proceeded with, considering the reality of aging and the inevitable process of getting older that we all experience in life,